Today we're going to be making some grilled pork meat tacos. I'll be grilling the baby back ribs on the Santa Maria grill, then I'll be chopping the rib meat and building some tacos. Let's start by getting our fire ready. While the fire is going, I'll prep the baby back ribs. I'll first remove the membrane off the back. Next, I'll season the ribs. Today I'll be using Montreal Steak seasoning and adding a second layer of garlic powder. If you don't have Montreal Steak seasoning handy, mix up a salt, pepper, garlic mixture, equal parts. Once the ribs are seasoned, it's time to prep the Santa Maria grill. Today I'm cooking over pecan wood. Throw your ribs down and let's start cooking. As always with the Santa Maria grill, fire management is critical. Raise and lower the grate to control temperature, and keep feeding a wood to maintain proper temperatures. I wouldn't attempt this on a regular grill because the fire will be too hot to cook the ribs directly over the fire. To speed up the cook, I'll sometimes use a lid from my Jumbo Joe to cover up the ribs. It isn't necessary, but it sure is helpful. I can't stress this enough, but you'll want to rotate and flip constantly. Sometimes I'll wrap the ribs with foil when they reach 160, but today I'll be cooking over the fire the entire time. About an hour and 15 minutes in, the ribs are probing tender. At this point, you can sauce them if you'd like, but for these tacos I'm building, I'm leaving them as is. They have great color and they're ready to be taken off. I already have my taco ingredients at hand. Finely chopped onion, cilantro, lime, and some homemade salsa. If you're looking for a good salsa recipe, check out the link in the description. Now let's build some tacos. Start off by heating some tortillas. Next, let's chop up some of the rib meat. Taco build is going to be an easy one. Add your rib meat, add some onion, cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and add in your salsa. These ribs aren't the most tender ribs you'll ever make, but there's so much flavor. I grew up eating ribs this way during family cookouts. Don't get me wrong, I love my low and slow sauce ribs, but there's something special about making ribs this way, directly on the grill, that just takes me back. If you're looking for low and slow smoked tender barbecue ribs, check out my video in the description. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment. See you next time.